Could tiny little seeds smaller than a grain of rice actually help you lose weight? No fake diets, no experiment, no expensive supplements, just chia seeds. Today, we are diving into the science, the myths, the benefits, and even the risks of chia seeds and weight loss. So, grab a drink, hit the subscribe button, and let's explore whether chia seeds deserve a spot in your weight loss journey. Okay, first, what exactly are chia seeds? Chia comes from a plant called Salvia hispanica, part of the mint family, and it's been around thousands of years. Asiatic warriors used chia for endurance and strength. It was basically their version of an energy gel. Let's make a nutritional breakdown where 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, which equals approximately 28 grams. It contains 10 to 11 grams of fibers, 4 to 5 grams of protein, and about approximately 5 grams of omega-3 fatty acids, which is ALA, and also it contains antioxidants, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. So, in just a couple of spoonfuls, you get a fiber powerhouse, plant-based protein, healthy fats, and cocktail of essential minerals. Okay, but how does all this translate into weight loss? Let's break it down into 3 main mechanisms. Number 1 is satiety and appetite control. Chia seeds can absorb up to 10 to 12 times their weight in liquid, turning into a gel-like consistency. That means when you eat them, say in a pudding or smoothie, they expand into your stomach, slowing digestion and help you feel fuller for longer. In other words, fewer cravings, less snacking. And number 2 is the blood sugar regulation. High fiber foods like chia seeds slow the release of sugar into your bloodstream. That prevents those blood sugar spikes and crashes that often make you hungry an hour after eating. According to a study in diabetes care, stabilizing blood sugar helps regulate appetite and energy balance. And mechanism number 3 is metabolism and nutrient density. They are not just empty calories. The protein supports muscle mass, and omega-3s may reduce inflammation, both important for a healthy metabolism. And when your metabolism runs smoothly, weight loss becomes more sustainable. Alright, science time. Let's separate hype from hard evidence. In 2017 review, Nutrition Research and Practice found that chia consumption improved satiety and reduced appetite in overweight individuals. And Harvard Health highlights chia's high fiber as a key player in weight management. Fiber intake is strongly linked to lower body weight over time. And in my clinic notes, chia seeds alone will not melt fat, but when combined with a calorie-controlled diet and exercise, they can support weight loss. So, chia seeds aren't a miracle cure, but the evidence shows that they can be a helpful tool when used correctly. Now, the fun part, how to actually use chia seeds without feeling like you are eating bird food. The recommended dosage of chia seeds is about 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, about 15 to 30 grams. Always drink enough water with them, since they absorb liquid. And for the best practices, don't ever forget to soak them. Mix with water or milk and let sit for at least 20 minutes, or overnight for pudding. This prevents digestive discomfort. And you can also pair with protein. Combine chia with yogurt, smoothies, or oatmeal for balanced nutrition. And about timing, it's great at breakfast for appetite control or mid-afternoon as a healthy snack. Let's talk about the recipes you can use at home. You can use chia in chia pudding. You can add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with half cup of milk. It can be from dairy or plant-based. Refrigerate overnight, top with berries. Number 2, you can use it as a smoothie booster. Add 1 tablespoon to your morning shake. Chia seeds in lemon water with a touch of honey, refreshing and filling. Number 4, you can use it as a salad topping. Sprinkle dry seeds on salad or oatmeal for crunch. But don't forget to soak them first. Okay, let's clear up a few myths that float around online. Chia seeds melt belly fat. Nope, they don't burn fat directly. They help you manage hunger and calories intake. Number 2, you can eat unlimited chia seeds for faster weight loss. Too much fibers can cause bloating and digestive upset. Moderation is a key. Number 3, dry chia seeds are better than soaked. Actually, soaking makes them safer and easier to digest. Eating them dry without fluids can cause discomfort or even be a choking risk if you are not careful. Here is the coolest thing about heart health: omega-3s help reduce triglycerides and support cardiovascular function. And also, for the gut health, soluble fiber like in chia seeds are very beneficial for gut bacteria. But let's keep it real. Chia seeds are not perfect for everyone. It may contain some side effects like bloating and gas, and also it has a shocking hazard. Eating dry seeds without enough liquid can cause them to swell into your throat, so watch out. It also may has some medication interactions, like if you are on a blood thinner or blood pressure meds, talk to your doctor. Chia seeds are high in omega-3s, which can interact. And for how to avoid this problem, start with a small spoon, 1 tablespoon per day, and increase gradually. Always soak them first with liquid before entering your body. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. So, how do chia seeds stack up against other so-called superfoods? Let's talk about flax seeds. It's also high in fiber and omega-3s, but chia doesn't need grinding to absorb nutrients. And for oats, it's great for breakfast satiety, but chia has more omega-3s. Chia seeds aren't better than everything else. They are an easy, versatile add-on that bakes a bunch of weight management. So, can chia seeds help you lose weight? The answer is yes, but as a supportive tool, not a magic bullet. Pair them with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a good sleep, and they can definitely give you an edge. Now, I would love to hear from you. Have you tried chia seeds before? What's your favorite way to eat them? Drop your recipes in the comments. I might even try one in a future video. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's on their own health journey. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.